Hey ladies and gents, welcome back to Randy's Travels again. My name is JT. In the last episode, we went ahead and we put the Darsh 180 awning up there on the truck. Today, we're going to go ahead and we're going to install the portable Starlink that I must say Elon Musk donated to me for free. So we did get a free Starlink. We got it for being a loyal customer the last 3 years. We got Starlink here on the house. So they went ahead and they sent me an email, said, would you be interested in a Starlink? So we got the Starlink. Stay connected right now. On that plan, it's $40 a month, 40 Australian dollars a month for the roaming Starlink Mini. So awesome little deal. In order to mount this, the Starlink, I jumped on eBay and I got some of these brackets here from 4x4 Lab. So this is what we're going to utilize to mount that Starlink on there. And look, once I put it up there, it's going to be up there permanently. So when we get the caravan towing around, we got Starlink cruising on top of the roof where we're going, internet everywhere. And then I've got a little mesh node that I'm going to put inside the caravan to boost the signal from the Starlink into the caravan. Let's get up there and get this thing installed. All right, folks, so we're up here on top of the Rhino Rack Pioneer 6. So I got the Starlink. Got some of these TRC concept bolts that were part of the kit within the 4x4 Lab Starlink mount kit. So we're going to use those. I'm actually just going to touch up a little bit of Loctite inside these ones right here, just inside these bolts here, because I can't put any sort of, I guess I could put some cross check on there. But I'm just going to put a little bit of Loctite on there, seeing keep that Starlink on the roof. Here, we're simply just going to flip the Starlink over. This sort of locks right into place. Locks into place like that. So what we want to do is actually get it secured to the roof mount, to the Rhino rack first, and then we can go ahead and we can get it secured on there. I think I'm just going to put it right there, right on that cross member there. So let's drop one of these in there. Which way it's going to mount. I want it to go that way. So I want to mount this way. Just put it down in there. Tighten it up. There again, it's not too hard to mount. I've already started put the cord in there. Just put the cord in the bottom of the Starlink. Like that. Pull it through a little bit. And then we'll just push that until it locks in there. Yep. That's locked in there. Drop a couple more of these TRC concept bolts down in there. And like I said, I'm actually just going to put a little tab of Loctite on this one here. Just to ensure it doesn't rattle loose within our adventures that we're going to do. Let's tighten it right up. Put a little bit more Loctite in this one. Down in there. And yeah, this is it's pretty simple to install this. Push it down. And look, folks, that's it. We have internet on the go. High-speed internet on the go now. Who would have thought about this 10 years ago? Thanks, Elon. Appreciate it, mate. And like I said before, like and subscribe if you'd like to keep watching these videos. We got the caravan coming to us in a couple weeks. So we're fairly excited for that. And just like and subscribe. Thank you.